1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. As I say, it's parts, but okay. This is antenna connection here. 22 picofarads. Coil 1. Coil 2. 3 turns, but this one is here is stretched to 6 millimeters too. Inner diameter is 6. Coupling capacitor is 68 picofarads. 1 nanofarad is this one. Here we have transistor, which is, let's check again. It's hard to zoom. Shit, zoom not working very well. As you may see, ON4646, this is all Philips transistor, similar to BFR 91. Okay. Here is a coupling capacitor, because this is base, this is buzzer. So, as you can see, 4.7 kilo ohms, 15 kilo ohms to the plus voltage. Here we have 19 turns choke. I put this tiny ferrite core, but work without this core too. So 19 turns over 3 millimeter diameter. This is choke, RFC choke. I'm not sure which one. Here we have a bypass cap of 10 picofarad. This small is connected to between emitter and collector. Here is collector, here is emitter, there is input. Input is over 510 ohms, as you may see. Yeah. This is preamplifier. I'm not sure how it works. I expected better. This is coupling capacitor here. I think that is 8 picofarads. This one is 8. You can see. This is a coil, tuning coil. 7 turns over 4 millimeter dia. And this one is 3 turn. 6 millimeter dia. Here we have 2 varactor diodes. Wait a minute. Here is the one. This one is VR149. This one is OBB, I think 105, something like that, with green dot. Next thing is transistor 2C829, I think, in hartley oscillator. This is the 1 kilo ohm emitter capacitor, 1 nanofarad coupling capacitor or oscillator. With what we have here is again 4 4K, 4K7, and again 15K. This up is coupling resistor, which brings plus pole to supply voltage to preamp. Filter capacitor. Here is a voltage regulator. Let's see a bit. This one is 7809. Okay. This one is 470. This is power supply from jack. This one is 10 microfarads. This is the choke, 47 microfarads. This is 15 picofarads. As you see, there is a connection to collector. This is collector, emitter, base. Here is tiny wire, which is connected to input on IF 10.7 megahertz amplifier. This is crystal filter with 3 legs. Here is the choke with again 100 microfarads capacitor. And this is classic 15K, 4K. Here I use 5.1K. Here we have 560 ohms. 560 ohms. Just a minute. Okay. Let's go. Here we can see chokes. First choke is this one. This is so-called, this is replacement for IF transformer. So 68 picofarads in combination with 3.3 microhenry. This one is 82 microhenry, 82, yeah, almost 100. This one is 33 microhenry. This one is 3.3. And again, after first on the collector, here is one of 10 nanofards on the emitter, and one again crystal filter. As you can see, 10.7. One leg is on the ground, and again goes to signal on this one. This is last transistor. Here I use just 68 picofarads in combination with 3.3 RFC choke. I wind over this choke bifilar winding 2 times 6. So twice bifilar, connected one side here and one side here up. You can see here up, and middle point goes to this small choke of 100 microhenry. Okay. This is germanium diode from one old radio. One, and second is here, you can see. This is capacitor to NF audio amp. This part is fuzzy discriminator or Foster-Seely. So this two is 330 picofarads. These two are 10 kilo ohms. Okay, here is this wire, this green wire is connected to input of the small amp. This part is grounded to yellow wire, should be grounded here. This thing I must fix. So this one output transistor, ordinary audio transistor, coupling emitter, collector base with 150 kilo ohms, phone jack, that's phone jack, output of phone is coupled through 8.2 microhenry, which goes to this blue wire. Blue wire leads to the plus power supply through 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay. Emitter resistor is 330 ohms, 300 ohms, 330 ohms. I can add on here polar capacitor, but this overloading system should be not used. So very simple, as you can see. Here is the best picture. I really need to move slowly. It's hard to hear anything because it's connected to cell phones. Here we are. I will go to back. Just you can see everything. Very simple. This is a critical part. First, our signal amplifier or preamp, FM preamp. This should be great resistor. This resistor is used in TV amplifiers, antenna amplifiers. So I don't know why it's here not very well. Maybe impedance, who knows. I can pick up few larger stations. I can turn it off. Just to check. Maybe you should hear something, but I suspect. Crap. I need to use which one was this one? Where is that mic? I don't know. Hike mic, you hike mic. Okay, that's one.